This is What's the New Word, Kit A. We begin with the first part of the puzzle. The first word is wet. 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 That is a wet dog. The second piece is net. We took wet, dropped the w, and added something to make net, to make a new word. What did we add? Net is the new word. Net, jet. We took net, dropped the n, and added a new letter to make a new word. Jet. Jet. The new word is jet. Jet. We drop the j and make a new word that's pet. What's the new sound? P. The new word is pet. Pet. Vet. We drop the p and add a v to make the new word vet. We have vet. We drop the v, add a m to make the new word met. We had wet. We dropped the w to make net. Net, we drop the n to make jet. Jet, we drop the j to make pet. Pet, we drop the p to make vet. Vet, we drop the v to make met. We made new words.